That was footage from my drone. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like. And if you're wondering where my drone is, then I'll show you. So it's up in these big trees over here. The problem is I don't really know which tree it's in. It's pretty dark out, so you might not see where it is exactly. But it's somewhere around here. I'm pointing to like around where the trees are. And I have insurance on it, so if it gets destroyed, then I can send it back to these people and they'll basically send me a new one. And the problem is because it's in a tree, I can't get a new one yet because I don't know where it is, and I have to have proof that I actually lost it, and I have to send them back the broken drone. So until I find it, I can't get a new drone or anything. So if you subscribe, then I might end up buying one myself, another one, and I might end up making more videos like this. Please subscribe and like, and thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video.